Hello, agus fáilte rás hiic na seanslaithe agus bhain seans a loch iad na seanslaithe is me Hugh Mac Giolla Chearra a rás libh don líú searting da na seanslaithe agus muid chartwisnis rih in nálaigh seachtáil go muid cho chlás sin hiig am na lá san go bhfuir bhthir brontanaí dad bhgad Chiaí agus gur Curgy tá si súil le leanta siire gáantó James nus tá bronta is nálaigh, but we'll see. Tá man seo mar a dúirt man seo le James ó Flatharta James Flatharta.
Come on, can't complain.
Can't complain. Agus fásta tá man seo le Mhaoir Áine Jim Flatharta.
Oh, right, nice. Get a big chin and chop and shock.
Yeah.
We move.
we Tá muid genú money moves mar a deirtar. Som actually just a casual leanta siire tá saoil siúil ag Ryanair in is faoi láthair le haid 2 for 1 le haid ticketí tá le galar leanta siire idir le mí seo agus mí fearra, so mata sú chuirtú so better sin 2 for 1 so ní 3 for 1 so bear ar dunne bhhaine go fanna sáile ná me si
go le sire níos déirna inge.
Ó fluk tá gáil ag an Gearman nach bhfuil?
An Gearman, sú go mór leis ach tá fásim go Landros má Holland go just chudú go bheith shut down agus go mé práiseach chuí an ach ní eilmatá a faoi clone fós ná sam go. So I'd say hopefully be sé tá má go Munich dúnta síos beganín tá bhí mas cepa go Amsterdam ach tá sin dúnta síos beagán freisin chu dúnta go 8 ach sú go mór leis.
An mé mar gin an alog fós dorá mar tamhear gí dó go Berlin ní se cinnte leis an rahi sé mar eala go si dra go seans nach darleis.
Well tá mu gur bh cuatúí ar lín is chud gur fisá amach ceché rudí gáil gus rudí, so ach ní mus fá táda, so tá mu just taken for granted go rudí is glú like ach you must get a ticket all go clé soccer freshen Cologne and I München Gladbach sa Bundesliga ach tá ticket agus tá mus cinní brandú a Champions League rin 8 agus mus cinná like ach sin cinná hallmas an game leaving actually fáin Germán is gimmert an bhí Munich away rudí so níl sein fós bhfuil na fans fós strán nó which are limited seating na sé an táda like so kind of play by ear I think it is on would so basically keep that anile mé má beú nach mé so
Mata dinge bí a géisiart in Munich bí cuairteáin is tá James agus é leis München Gladbach scarfsa a cuairtú ticketí le a hall le a hall. Má téintar bhaid go bhí cear mó tú ticket in sin ach better scéal dal an chartile. Well leanta sirbí baáte go tú anis.
Tá me go síos go Corky ní se có exciting inis le Sir James. Tá níos go mu se feici go tá scata le air te muo acu is Alpine ski trailer hí sa photo wildlife agus teintú síos le 23 cuilte. So tá tú tú a dhéanú gceart seachas just al háart ar ceircah bíideach so sí san sin fanne deir seachna agus le scatal.
Deadly.
Well sé sin clás a duine ach tá má úfásoch is gátal. Tá má chodonna. That's ridiculous.
Ní má Gary a rá ach níor cheapma go méthe ráhaid agus scatal.
Ní anna mé like ach cúplú like 3 a bit a riú because bhí má chodonna choúr. Ní má has sús bhí titim sí rí. Ce chu duna be seo inna le seo impossible. Actually just le róga I think not na skates mór. I think má ná slide ar hart rógan ní seá na skates like.
agus couple of leid a chaú gan am cearna gus thing got trasna
Oh, scary stuff.
an roiartú set na penguins test na rudí bínig na poisttí le gáil hartar
No, ní just imagine bhí me literally just bedins ar a mála timppla ná lu agus
Sinné dó chuidí na balla sin go mór just tasca gon an balla ann mar haíocht mar Harlín ru fés a bei seo simúis ní bheith rud big am grimáile so seans nach béise có spríúil sa hílan mu seans an ggurtar na hin.
She'd just go made be tone for you good. I think vision a rud was smoke going to mass and us and rud online. Actually look she vision just though.
Yeah, Jeff Wutain Hugh will ain lein sira garnar how good.
Tamadol hig an larfall and charting shugging. We go Liverpool on her a ball and chain mergerter or a moth. What do you call it? Yeah, no, tá siar le cuairt choráí in sin agus be se actually an cedín sugain be se blian ó háisiid go mála cheile, which is pretty wild. So tá plán allhar agam de go dé má honna dhéanú an lei sin.
Bhfuil seo cos le love actually bhfuil rud allhar ócáid mór plán áte agus like mé ceolair an sin na cas an ceoldaí te muid de verse aquí.
No, tá should just gone fan labby real and then probably like but you get him a ball and tay he real but like screw hill like still I know arrogant it was over. Who do you think you are like?
More holidays.
Yeah, more holidays. Yeah, more holidays. The shish the whole nation. Shish the over Akila you know.
I
am the present.
My presence is the present.
This year I will lie under the tree because I am the gift.
No, time much fun running after Yannick. Much call like the shouldn't go Margaret or she'll Liverpool Flatharta. I guess pick up a stuff got array. So yeah, no here can be some but yeah, I mentioned Gavi book out and much who knows Badger it can't be magical trips ten toy show or show a knocked Urker segue in whoopa
give me a bit of Ryan Tubbs
and Ryan Tuberty move aside
no I think big cracker dóigh Tubbs
yeah well let's go to bug roi on authors homse
then
well actually you know what ní bhhan an toy show host ar a nacht meall a rud atá mo lipo so
Bis the current restraining order
yeah like kids good seach an absolute predator just a rivaling Susan
Caidí stop with a curtway na gumprad le predator ar an bud praile show sin trí hacht an
yeah true you know what Tá actually brand these custom Tom Selleck law. Yeah, Tom Burgundy. Is it masculine? Is it Tom Selleck is Ron Burgundy? Yeah. What I was thinking illustration actually host my toy show. So you know what? I'll take it all back.
Tom Selleck
host at enough, all right.
Darrow art like Blocky Shear like that like the Hershey Scar chart like enough and like no warning like whatsoever.
Yeah 100%. Yeah.
But tá a gwyn dír go déile genú mé all go sé feici a gonne wat Caribbean spe. Tá an get den klar.
Shoehart concept gasser a then basically backhanded compliments or hope. I space put on model question that.
Breig an a kick all heart cos le pa Kenny.
Aber all folks an Tausha just and then Ka met le said na cool kids means like was that funny
yeah
you know
a couple of meme anu reading
exactly you know that Christmas jumper heart you're good to go
rá lom sa bheits a le féithna bhín si do gcóí olta agus a caiú gads in an óg bhí an crackar dóigh acu
An ru tú chiche ag like audience rud RT rih like radar sí na cibit an chléir sinne tugann siad an méid sin fin sé an ascadit like it's literally like non-stop like buíos the agro me se gála in a skid an coke or whatever but bhí ahanning a heart arm like bhí dinge just siúil heart gas le vultures just a fánart le dinge bhí like leach lenne fi acu just like top up and then just like siúil log it's like top up because I'm bhí should just dá correct like in méid
go meach night out mai gin dul de ó RT again.
Bei sin na pranks is fair gur féid le dulthaigh. Like chéin tú ag Donnybrook de dún sin tá fin sé an as go rican líe den tú sin gotí beidir le a híine go chlog gurchar I don't know fucking Éamon John Fina whatever agus in sin tá ihe omlan a sin agus tú chéáalta le bit a farfa like
the coppers
class right RT Valentine's.
Oh yeah, James built this it dog wretched. Like a Valentine's Day special built to whole grand where you get. Was a feck go tea
yeah, she look well, yeah.
Yeah. I've been to Gavin to go meet the cuirta ag a toy show. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Bananas ag Valentine's like. We had brand new class, which actually brand new unreal like.
No, it's been the
I don't think going yet it
James.
James.
Jedi. Go home man Jedi.
He went up road shame or be hugged.
Archer a crumulsion like.
Yeah. Fear. Like you know to go to RT show, this is a bit of kind of, you know, like and it's like one fuck up agus tá einem Newark for the rest of your life so yeah
and you've like chance to be good to a Bruce na man so okay
no for my rejected do the one telly in the underdogs you might get a rejected go down at RT like so you know it's I don't know Bhharm absolutely off my face.
Beidh sin talafíach ráte mai agus like sin rud fásta faoi éannaí is má tarlaí mar iad talafís ní an dinge bí charmar faoi fiche hitch far ar an air like quick jig blianahain agus tá fecin plaque san net ar hitse inis.
We just reeling in the years. Me and him when the real Jarvid or run to be hardly.
No.
Queen Rose the brand new live though the hits a latch and like her.
Yeah, smash boy.
Ni mission non-stop godi. So mission on over. Them should be out of this grammar rock with even you. I shouldn't miss you actually that was my gosh go cork on you.
Oh yeah, Bill, yeah. Vision to six shoulder and I guess the tabalo and faster.
Yeah, just
Tory man GoPro lom agus feici me an Matain slip up spaihe gur fiú tafantaí anú.
Bei se cosla nar bhí James a skydive agus person in GoPro agus rud bhhain ag flustal na.
Brandon to the fish on that not literally raw. That not cost of mission raw. I can hear my heart beat out of my ass. Dus de molen om kikker om my character. Dus my hearing it just my Jesus, you know. Oh man. Yeah.
But this is
so basically the GoPro are mute nothing because
yeah, better.
It's my
yeah, because we miss about radical the car enough to Thompson agus. I don't kick mas fin fish van is dead in the dus machine.
Bro, she have to said Winchester get to be there.
Oh, I don't know, ni share it anyways, I'll tell you that.
Lucky made the corner, so.
Or actually a toy show anyways.
Yeah.
Céin get the gur fear live se an fearle ro we were nerds fast níos gur han get the fin Lorty live. No, was it the PlayStations and the Xboxes?
Okay, yeah, no. People are gonna how dare you catch me the Lorty and then become from the PlayStations? And I was like, yeah, actually, no, never mind.
Oh no, ha na leortaí lomsa, ní me caiú núsa den a bhígur
Hug na leorthaí John Joe dún, hug na leorthaí Davy Fitz dún, Tarlíonn rudí is fearr an toy show a rí an sextas na leorthaí. Ach an cinnas fearr lomsa ná an parade, tas go nar chain na tarcar agus na oh my god. Níl license to be mutter bait an the chumach chin. This is absolutely
no. She actually cost real life NCT version me all like chulle triú na carú clán tá sé ní siad go gobar. Ní siad go gobar, so ní siad ná move up. Actually hilarious like. Yeah, just like
gotcha. Bhín pás sin ag Mhaoir like an air bhí arthaí like na pláistí pushall like ar statue. So
agus the gcónaí có cute.
Oh, being agus like the shisha hold jazz like the she hold courage, but Higgins if picture like in charge of like come on, right, come on.
Dit is fair na nar hosí na páistí like ag arcar le féith na agus a banúí búil distract sa set. And then tagging din in a gomach because she'd absolutely intact. So she did great moves and then booty sheets to stress the set. Come on.
Yeah, you want the show off though. They were like,
oh yeah, no.
Omer cock.
Come on. Let the hall. Being a goni lad to happen goes a whole deadly like in BMX no or like I would say like.
No, ní scared of like a BMX. My girl 3-year-old echo of a cute a car nach a gobbit. Crash on the car. But they just shouted and tell you on a 3-year-old. Crash on the car.
Go on. Bhfuil.
It ever should believe on a late toy show drinking game.
No.
Oh, that's dangerous. Dangerous.
Gachor a deir sé, there's one for everyone in the audience.
Catú do joch híoch nu.
Richt nu?
Yeah. Agus formis sin rud is smaas riamh, so mat a gasar a show agus an anam céan acu leat.
Oh no.
Catú do joch a downa. So nor bhí mu a seo immers, look, nor a lockdown on, so it just means the housemates just sat. So bhí cúgur an céan tín bloody gasar bhí an le anam mar chéad leis cúgrain na freaking James. Agus I wouldn't mind sin bhí real nuaing freshin, like just a Mrs. Tigertal, da bhach éon gaeilge a show, bhach arms bhí nu ríist. I think háú me hééis James fágal a friggin set fan ag gaeil go isteach a so she lás gaeilge. I think when she has a show an gaeilge, she's like, please stop, cans. Please.
Tá my Gurk in the real hand shot. So one for everybody in the audience, Glock shot. No,
yeah.
Joggers new. Mona will break on a gubber, Glock jock. Mata tubs a gay jokey anu na gay very cool. Glock jock awen. Ner ta banachial like shenim Glock jock.
Got like innuendos on version one.
Glock
inappropriate jokes.
Sinné, Mata pleistíigh senim ceol caiite dehahainú lacu do achan bail den banna cheol, so that role like choir da fihi on Mhaoir like agus sin mata puppeter and Claire cos that just na Saki na Bosco Joch celebrity guest Shul DVD promotal Johawen. Well, have you good there be Jerry Seinfelder agus her Pat Kenny Jerry Seinfelder agus bhí sé margheallar B movie agus thugtá like bregan like shite Superman dá like le agus bhí sé whole awkward like bhí sé just like an amor fad ridiculous. Oh, hilarious. Like Mark this was such a programmer.
I tell you one thing, you mar rums an toy show nor because we miss
we made Jirkle ra and cuivan at an céad lech agus sinné.
No, he's the one my marker a gael get a show us gas around a man. You're more than that man creamer to be honest. There's some key in the PlayStation games you tackle on or because not like dead and claw so
Don cin margheallar in the car ní ag chumán tearan se waterfall till the car parade ends.
sin tough.
Sin ceall fáda ná. Sin dhéanú trí mumate.
Yeah. Bhín cin an airí dó bhí se thó jazz like bhí Adam
Bhín Adam bhí sé gáanta freehold.
Bhí me se rá seo leis na lád cható. You're mar an break on. I was all set le feicáil like Robo Reptar na le feicáil, you know, the Polly Pockets who's 100. But you're mar an break on there in Claire, so I'm hoping this from Niana, but they pick it up because them should Gary I want to know you my Gary Al Donald. Came on my listed. I'm a list the
screen gig daddy na nolog.
Yeah, Neil sa screen fucking go forward. So Kaima Jen Sheck go la hand there. And Hirsch if she's Shackley he live here in late toy show like more plastic.
I don't think so.
Beidh gur chur le ceol nó dása nó na bhí má anó go sin an sort brúscar like bhí má go ní chu bum chu stair nó ruí sin like bhí má anó seans gur chur me stair.
Tá talent go in fairness though, so
yeah. You see,
James, look, that's a joke in ancient.
Monsieur.
No, Hugh. That's the James.
That's the James.
No, you're really funny, my gosh. What V, but you know,
it came
funny a gurk.
Yeah. I grew into this dash. You shall orm there be my shade.
Funny to Marcus and Bryn Martian.
Yeah.
Well, tomorrow. Right. Cool my god.
I'm fag, you know.
Let's have a stooky schnockers. We'll job you.
Just people left back.
Non tub bug das niche. The distinction. God almighty.
Tangent.
Her is Chearra an toy show there many so I get achtan fi agus like I think her half which would like fish like laugher rod like she like big like genu skitsbug never met like jait na hin or whatever. I guess it's like homeland college and I really wish grow my calories because Jerry Kurosha absolutely shite.
Tosa eáil ar an toy show mar fáiste. Tusann ar páiste a haí nóir an gléir.
Yeah, cos na feckin' John Joe na kin na much.
John Joe is one of a kind.
Nar a fuan West na Gary Ve mar scríbnear. Oh, fair play that you, my hair. A couple of joke come to my Hugh na struck lads.
Don't worry, Hugh Bug bit to our block TG Garamach Joe.
Agus na betu go mai, na betu go hita. Yeah, I don't think Darrow Mahanig is Pat Kenny or Claire like Ella. We probably, you know, I don't think he would have got my vibes. That's good, you know. Mahanig's Pat Kenny.
My level Pat.
Yeah, let the whole Pat. Yeah, you must have Charchie's Hubsit. This is contract was Hubsit. Okay.
That's some bug and he's moving. Fun you show him, Pat, please. Come on. Make the show. Come on.
Sufferable arseholes. An cool legend an ocean ar an late agus hánig fear an lo faking Sue's take Pat Kenny and they're saying you and Gay Byrne you're insufferable arseholes and just start Pat Kenny. Thank you very much.
We shall like Shannon rod this fire at their thing Shannon rod this jazz.
Yeah.
For Mike.
Which is a bracket in the man like Gay Byrne. Brad Kenny actually just watching Brad Kenny get this man a trip to Mexico.
I guess that insufferable arsehole the aning is not fake bam We'll cefnig of a scandal a bhí on their straw Pat Kenny swas na tickety lahai and toy show.
Ní credim nach ro an ban sin a gurí na ticket sin Davy care lehi.
Ridiculous. Dark, right? But like the thing is rare shouldn't think of nachwell an on dull like a toy show a reachnish like they see him follow. It's like no RTE at around in that like that tickety aku Eishin the take agru and imak. It's not like Camille, like you're like a lean area acu and they're like, well, Chris Pat no one yaku, so you higgling.
Tom printer briste.
No, no.
Or dini per Glaker Joe Duffy and K Dialect.
Oh, Fisha.
They're bullet.
Fisha Fian. A hanam Italian ein rud television air and comes to Joe Duffy or show and let her again because it's just and rud is fair and Kedla in the especially in the normal people who couldn't either be normal people or show or whole decision.
Yeah, come normal people do.
But the thingies curse scarters to her or Joe like it's like a pornography show. It's like pornography.
Oh yeah, me all of the scene. Yeah, hold my blast actually, fusion.
Gas. Absolutely gas. Her whole shift fui chance me like restrictions because I had the chat to rash to the captain shift the Casney gas Swiss because I handled the machine. Just say scan rule. I know James got this in Nam so we go Germany and ish. A gap to go wide through the wall.
Yeah, hopefully school that see this map, but yeah, Tasha scan right like, but I don't know. Ich habe gemacht mit back shafts the situation shot East.
No.
Ich habe gemacht was over the hill. Then you scale to go hard though, like it means like kid like questions for all, but she bravo because of me lockdown. Well, lockdown really was new. You just restrict.
Opportunity.
An opportunity.
These are my lockdown is on just restrictions, like we should just call restrictions in the nice gated.
Scary.
Sheelam gwil tú scurro coolish and Hannah the normal foley gwil she'd gone antigen testing a hosu sna scolan anish. So I shouldn't only you're in a pashti scurdu antigen gorilta.
Well, Dirk Mission to us, I guess Neil earn the pashti the laku. Like it's not like talking to the Steve at Neil Arhu the laku like I would say glad try to stress skull gafad gg cool symptoms aku and then Catholic can try to stress skull. But like if you can punch us in, like surely is not the point, like there's not antigen test in Waku. So not tagging to the Shasta skull, solar will symptoms aku. Yeah, no, it's like a tough rash.
Tama Tina Munu wrong le Sheelam go for trees wrong agus ag pointháin couple seachtain min hí seacht galta jeg a muid le COVID.
Oh my god.
He's a gurky. Yeah, níl sin go bhaid mat tú cloisteil na figurí sin.
Is kid harla go
spreaders.
Or a moon like Cheshire nu like online class ag go chud a visala nu kid tarla.
Well no, mar yalla gro si chin ní higlo really the fólam mat si a muid le chest this chinnis, but yeah, we could just land right. At the dolly in the moontroy with and COVID the yakins with an urgent pashti.
Yeah.
Right, a scalpel heart.
The ringing INTO like survey in the written starting it agus visha shake a quick moonchari a mahas 8 a shart skull a ro COVID ahu lilin cookish. So we should like crazy ever agus nish touch the occur delta all scholar like delta test the genu like Muncherach the Marino na Pats na could be rud dingita like postgrad agus Citrius a Caribbean ta aru na school shasna skalta like Lilina Mahan Squares.
I showed you cos lish na banal tree na hall tree inish a vir and rud vir shuluku nari occur na dalti sta as le ober Altra and I was gone the gert.
Yeah.
So chance go brain with Kane at that hard nish lash na moontroy.
No, think hard good like that vi go home and like and would care the Harley style 3. But that Jiran would care in the Harley and area like Visha, Ruddy Goshies and we got a Garth and then just solar Harley knowledge like Hashi Ruddy gear and his massa guess
and then surprise
and then whoopsie, oh sorry. Like there's a generation that like couple of shouting in this where we should like or those bar we should not because we should like through the all much can ruddy after like she which character and then like leg, like, oh, it's like really gear and smash, but much can be ahru and then be hasta. Oh, to can ahru buggy yanu gizin, chif much Tarlian, agizin chin be like restrictions nismo, like nismo restrictions or show, again, couple sharting. Well, like what you Janish the mar the stuff on agus there's the rag well the hearse the stag upper like the real hooks the stag upper be la feca
like on hospitality is clear knowledge
I'd say go me but chance go me a reach more like be like car funeral done because like like matters the Gary I know the judge you get hug and like chance my commission Gary I know the judge used to get hug like car nog because especially like I had no Fager Shaw so I live now to be in mod clear I get hug I have been shop ploddy Ladini go Harry like and like public transport like a Lewis because bus get diagonal hug being shot like ni higlat Siana or Harvey they got taxi L or Harvey like being to the like go home and here like so ni really captain go on what's fairly anula I know the traditions can igmani him or then handing it just to Gary Dallawali and I'm caring like igmani
during go digging shift shock mai go bro balia tá sé an táhachtach bhfuil áte an oscailte fa chunne joch nó caí nó d éigen ar chuitní muine an obair. Mar tá muid just tí sa trommer an lá le caiimiid get be géire agus is fábta dóigh or peanta or whatever it is. Béis sé dóí manuel rud a bí oscailte is cum le man ordre nach gro muid sa dín glasal is siúlaach ar ráid ná ó fiú solas ar siúlan a sé atá sé dín tá sé Jackar just a bheith dearfach an lá sinna méid go top eil.
100% like ché cúpla lá especially cean Tom se nora ceapan sin really Zachar like me all was that like it didn't sports to mission fairness like but it's only so much exercise that now in the low it's not raw session in the bed cean amazing cean but like kit go in like dat ger go macht mo dat ger castle ding wat niet na like sin dat gober smale like hoe about the hi ma sé seachtain eibru on bale enger se kate is ra ma humorous ma like ra what tam se kolle giche agus e brand television with all in the vicinity go couple meter like is that ni go mag an collegium like so sin súlam go even though sé seach go na pobna dúnse ag 9 ze it's false all things like goil tá dat na go na couple like cad the insing all that really but like jeez ma bhín full on like no hospitality each time be had sack like
well like what you be much like calcular agus
just means these small house parties anyways but like ni vim go aku watch
no
be an kosher tar san chi go the cost of rose an Sean me between these irja mar leidetí I pub caiimmuid na meascní caiú siú airt ach ní caihí I Josh.
Sin díra an rud bhí me se ra bhí agus táhart faí bheith agad le eile seaasna clubnítíí an fásta. But sure níl dinge bí chun bheith dar sanis ag saoine se go seach agus tá fear le cáta agus é bheith le right gur matna agus na vaccine passport sin folks at the hall.
Agus fresin like tá to bheith fanach do bhhard ag pub like ní tú ná move on hard ag housebread get go in a richt art go cholle sugar bill kan a cholle one bills it's just like mayhem like
Ní would your auger heartíh koshertí
no gan doubt ní cheart no definitely not
no tá mu nachchearted
Ma garker an bhí sean is chapter go homland different with 130.
ní cheart koshertítá ní cheart mu chu
no agus fiú dá thuirsih choir thugging sean nach mé mu
no
No. Má chun le bheith de ribre le second. Má chun cin na bheith agus bé pleiste agus bé cíalhar agus gan an go daoine ach go leir an craic. Just na daoine os táhachtí. Just fáil na daoine le go bar sáil le fásta. Dinge gramí sa te námar fád áte go leir.
Just to could go agus cordte toss it bhfuil vaccines acu agus gofuil nachhfuil like gar eventar chorás like it's just
nachhfuil te muid an circle fan the circle socialte
an bubble
yeah.
As I said ma hunn ná duine bháin de it's a party news trees a party so
mar dúirt an sainálí pitbull Sainálí na kosher.
Trees a company, trees a party.
And podcraoladh seo orthe ag pitbull Hig MrWorldwide.com
Mr. 305
An ru sinnar alles a go den 305
Mr. 305 se that
yeah but ring this a hand gesture like ro tú bar fartá like in fan club na ring like the actual plan
ní hóginn se sainolí le chu formach go bin 3 go bin ó agus bin 5
doesn't take much to impress you care
yeah do ma take like but at least do man made to figure amach my aim like
níl gahabí facum sa le blian go lei so ein rud Barrálam sa man Barrálam san sinna ceb ge gal bhilm sa dal in sin glasá pitbull dar pitbull in airing I think vision and kosher is fair vision daimát le ceú Jerry da COVID gan
yeah As cá pitbull go cholatí a down to announce go COVID heart
oh yeah
an concert céanna dhéanana a chula áitbeú yeah
well cefhní go seacho random well cefhní go bhí commórtas ag Walmart like chuig blianahain agus bhí se like oh tá pitbull chun turas a dhéanú ar Walmart an charts cheer ach cai se bheith like an cinna bhfuil méid is mó like fans on so mas as an seo like chur iartas is se agus seans go jockey pitbull hiig de stage agus chu landingi like cinní like brega as Alaska so bhí ar pitbull dul hiig Alaska like le choú her ag an Walmart seo like a leir like middle of nowhere like agus like lá pugtar agus físní agus ahanú net seo but like come on like prank a bhí on
Or dinner be on or dini be talking that shot
like quigger I think it would like it'd be like group and the gun because you're also the thing is to shop I heard we should like oh by the way to pitbull like shop think we're shopping like, woo okay gas note shin noted that pitbull much Jerry la gur míle mai give us up to big the rash a reach leis the Seansálaithe mas gar much lance ar na main hoisiilte tá muid ar Twitter ag na Seansálaithe ar Instagram ag na Seansálaithe tá muid ar YouTube ag na Seansálaithe is féidir leat ar an fís don podcraoladh seo tá má hain ag Hugh Carr here ar Twitter agus Instagram tá Áine ag Mhaoir ar Twitter agus Instagram agus tá James ar Flatharta ar Twitter agus Instagram fásta bhfuil gabi aloging le ranne solar chain which chun fáil réad an toy seo.
An airí le bhléig agus bí cuaach leis an chluthe ólachan fahain an toy seo.
Oh yes, what he called be orange in a wrench ar na scéaltaí so go mé a halinge ebalta immert agus mu gimmer sé fásta agus
Dim tag aring agus si be gimmers in the cohi.
Yeah, gan doubt. All right. Well, stand up, folks. Agus sure took much of a reach and a tracking sugar. Slide.
Longer. Oh.